Hi, this is Naveen Anjanappa. Now let us look at the Scrum Master as a role. A Scrum Master would act as a facilitator, the coach, and a leader for the team. As a facilitator, they ensure that the events are effective and efficient, the conversations are collaborative and focused towards the results, and that the engaging system, the collaborative system, is created without getting involved into the discussion and also being unbiased. They help the teams take a decision. As a coach, they look for the effectiveness in implementing Scrum, coaching and mentoring, and also reflecting the capabilities of the team to go to the next level, build winning teams. As a leader, the Scrum Master look for overall growth of the teams and the organization, looking at the bigger picture and enabling them for continuous improvement and the infrastructure and support required. Let's get into some of these activities in detail. Scrum Master as a facilitator enables the team to focus on the goals, objectives during the discussion period. So, irrespective of what the conversation is, the Scrum Master as a facilitator enables the team to go focus on the goal. Example, if the team is in the sprint planning meeting, the goal of the sprint planning meeting and the activities during the sprint planning meeting is the focus that the team members should have. So instead of having various different discussions, the Scrum Master ensures that there is an effectiveness in sprint planning meeting, keeping the focus on the goal of the sprint planning meeting. Visualize the work and time box the discussions. It is important that as the teams gets to the discussion, the visualization of the work in terms of the physical copy, the digital versions, or any other formats would help the team to reflect on their thoughts and come to a decision making point at the earliest. While time boxing helps the team to focus on the effectiveness of the time spent and also ensures that they are very effective in discussions and also the tools and techniques they are using. The Scrum Master resolves the conflicts during the discussion, ensures that engaging people during the discussions for making decisions, at the same time creating a collaborative ecosystem so that everybody is engaged towards a common decision making. It is obvious that there are a lot of discussions taking place, but the Scrum Master does not directly take a decision on behalf of others. As a facilitator, your presence makes the teams effective and efficient, but this is on a need basis, on demand basis. For a period of time, the facilitation can be learned by the team members, and the Scrum Master's facilitative activities could reduce over a period of time. But that does not mean that the Scrum Master is not required. They jump over as the team gets matured to start coaching the team. As a coach, the Scrum Master is going to mentor, teach, coach Scrum to all. And being an expert in Scrum, the master of Scrum, this is a source of truth and the source of motivation for the teams to implement Scrum within the organization. As a Scrum Master, with a coach, they focus on building the self-organizing, self-managing teams and also the cross-functional behavior patterns, the cross-functional skills required so that the team emerge as a winning team. The Scrum Master as a coach would focus on improving the capabilities of the team and the performance so that the team is on a continuous improvement and they're adaptable to all situations. Remember, continuous improvement is a key to handle the complex systems and a complex ecosystem, which is the empiricism that is required for the team, the agility, in fact. The Scrum Master as a coach would help to reflect on the team's capability on the team and resolve their issues. Not directly getting involved, but building the capabilities of the team so that they can resolve their own issues, impediments. At the same time, as a coach, the Scrum Master also builds the potential community of practice and the groups so that the team members can share and mutually learn. As a coach, you're looking at the overall growth of the team and their capability. Let's look at the Scrum Master as a leader. As a leader, the Scrum Master is focused on bigger problems and the ecosystem that the team members work. As a Scrum Master, You inspire people towards the agility, adapting towards the practices, the framework, such as Scrum. In fact, the challenges that are faced during the uh, adaptation, they get to be continuously worked upon by challenging the practices, by enabling the team and the organizations to continuously improve on fixing their issues. It is important as a leader, you work as a change agent to bring the change and act as a catalyst. As a change agent, you bring in the change required, build the culture that supports agility. Being a change agent is a core aspect of a Scrum Master, an agent for a change. And focus on the total agility across the organizations, across the team. This involves the cultural agility, the process agility, organizational agility, and the team or people agility. Agility is your ability to deliver high business value. Hence, the whole system has to be aligned towards building the winning product and being agile to navigate through the complex systems. Now that you have studied about the 3 roles that the Scrum Master could play as the team gets matured, let's look at the activity that could help you. Describe how a Scrum Master can help the team being a facilitator, being a coach, and a leader. And think about your Scrum Master at office. What activities do they do as a facilitator, coach, and a leader would help you reflect on both the current situation as well as the improvements that is required for your Scrum Master. I hope this was useful. Let us meet again in the next section.